So this is continuation to the earlier video which I created for LTX. So now I have also added Sana in this, and we have 512 pixel and 1024 pixel inference available. So how to install it? All you need to do is in the earlier installed version, open a new command prompt and type this command git pull. Now this will add the newly added files. Now activate the virtual environment. So we don't have to do any other installation. Now type cd Sana. Now whichever model you want to use, you can just copy this command, paste in the command prompt and press enter. Now this will download all the required models, and the Gradio is running on this local URL. So you can control click on this link, which will launch the Gradio UI. So it's a very basic interface. You can simply enter the prompt here, change the guidance scale and other settings. So let's try this. Click on generate video. And this requires very less memory, around 3 point something GB of VRAM. So it should work fine on 4 GB of VRAM, provided you have at least 16 GB of total memory available, including shared one. Now, in some cases, you may find that you are not getting the desired output because it has to do with guidance scale. That's where the batch processing will come in handy. So the outputs are saved in Sana folder and output Sana 512. So in that case, what you can do is under the batch processing tab, you can try out different guidance scale and maybe number of steps. And add to queue. So once you are happy with the queue, you can just click on process queue. Inference is very fast, so it is taking around 5 seconds to generate. And once the queue is processed, you will see all the outputs. So that's where you can review which configuration scale the output is better, and then you can use it for generation. Same way you can use the 1024 version. So it will download the models, separate models. All the models are organized in this folder, efficient large model, and then you will see 512 pixel model and 1024 pixel model. And once the Gradio is launched, it is exactly the same. It is just that it will generate 1024 by 1024 output. So for 512 model, the output will be stored in output underscore sana underscore 512. Same way for 1024, the folder name will just have 1024. In this case, for 1024 model, VRAM required is around 4 GB. And it will go above during the image generation. You can play around with the guidance scale and number of steps to get a good output, or you can use batch processing for that. Thank you.